when you're trying to record but there's a lawnmower right next to you. My life right now. Hello you guys, it's Malaiya's Beauty back with another video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review on the Neewer ring light, and I hope you guys enjoy.
I'm meant to be, but jealousy get the best of me. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistakes. Yeah, always make the same mistakes, cause
I just got to the house and look what I got. The brand is here. It gotta be one thing. It gotta be my ring light, son. It gotta be. That's the only thing I could think of. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna unbox this unboxing video. Alright, son, we about to see what this is. Alright, son. This is the box. Comes like this. Really? That's all we worried about right here. Tweet! You just got. Dude, you all up on my video. Move. Alright, so we just got this. Unbox this for you guys right now. Alright, you guys. So, we're about to open this up. Oh! So it comes in this big case right here. The case is pretty much durable, and it comes with a nice little, like, if you undo it, it'll be like an off the shoulder like strap type of thing. Alright, y'all, so this is the light right here. This is what I'm looking at right now. I'm gonna plug it up, we gonna see. And it also comes with this box. I'm assuming it's like the little like light filters that come with it. So I'm going to open this as well. So this is what it looks like. This has like a little instruction manual right here. It comes with the chargers, I believe. This is what this is supposed to be. This and the light filters right here. Oh wait, you guys, so this is with the light off. We got to turn the light on.
What I was saying, okay.
Woo! We in business. I feel good. So this is what the light looks like before it's on. I'm going to turn it on, and this is on its highest settings. So this is how it looks. Everything with the light went perfect. It works beautiful. It's kind of like the Diva ring, but it's a cheaper, more affordable version, and it was perfect. I highly recommend this product if you can't afford like a $300 ring light, because I sure can't. And it's pretty affordable for the price, and it works really well, just like the Diva ring, I'm assuming. And I'm in love with it. It does the job. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog and this review. Yeah, and I'll put the link in the description box below of the ring light that I purchased by Neewer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this.
but jealousy get the best of me.